had a beautiful setup. I had it all marked out, but I missed my entry by 1 minute. And because I didn't mark it entry into the market because I wanted that perfect entry. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So I'm going over my trades that I took today. I took 2 trades, went 0 for 2. I didn't even plan on trading today, but I saw a real good setup setting up. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But it was low probability conditions today. We had no news, no medium or high impact news today, and we're loaded with news Tuesday through Friday. So I'm expecting some real good price action Tuesday through Friday. Probably, honestly, I don't even think I'll trade on most of those, well, on all of those days. But I'm gonna be real picky with my setups and keep building a cushion I have in my accounts. It's about time to I want to get above like the 2K mark in over 3 of my funded accounts. And I'm in the middle of passing another 2 evals. So I'm really just going for base hits, not really going for home runs right now. Just want to stack up those payouts. So in a second, I'm gonna flip the camera around and then break down my trades from today. And then when I'm gonna start breaking down the trades for later on in the week. All right, and this is what made me take this trade, even though I initially planned not to. So on Friday's session, we pretty much got the same repeating pattern. We had the Asia session, London session. New York took out the London lows and then rallied all the way up past London highs and Asia highs to make a higher day. So we came up here, all-time highs. I want to be on the side of all-time highs, especially in a bullish rally, bullish market. You know, you don't know how high it can go. It could just keep making higher highs. So after we take sell side liquidity, I want to target at least London highs. So we made Asia, London. We took out the Asia low, took out London low, right at open. Nice, beautiful setup, but it just didn't play out. Started getting all types of crazy price action. And that just goes to show you can have a good setup, but just a low probability day, or a good setup that just didn't work out. That's why you lean on your risk to reward. So this is what the intraday price action look like. This is absolutely trash. Like, it's looking like a barcode, and this is high resistance liquidity run conditions. So low resistance liquidity run is when it has those obvious draws on liquidity and it takes it out with ease. High resistance liquidity runs are when prices getting to where it wants to go, but it's putting you through a lot of drama first. And then wicks like these, like this is just made to just cause damage. So you don't want to be a part of this at all. So I'm about to mark out what I want to see happen tomorrow before I take a trade. Overall, I'm still outrageously bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised if we sweep all-time highs and then start doing a little reversal pattern. But you know, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm gonna take the setup that I see, trust my pattern, trust my system, stick to my risk to reward ratios, stick to my risk management, stick to my trading plan that got me here, and we'll see how it all plays out. Hopefully NQ could be nice to me. She was real mean to me today. She had a little attitude, but it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna shake back, get that 10K payout, and keep it pushing. Start scaling up, getting 10 accounts, 15 accounts, 20 accounts, 30 accounts, and starting having the same $500 to $1,000 days, but now it's gonna be 20K to 40K payouts. So that's the importance of having a system and then scaling that system. Alright, so I'm on my way to the crib. Just finished the work day, and I had a beautiful setup. I had it all marked out, but I missed my entry by 1 minute. And because I didn't mark it entry into the market because I wanted that perfect entry, I missed out on anywhere between 4K and 10K. So yes, today I could have made $10,000 on a high end and $4,000 on a low end. Honestly, I'm not way I feel though. Like, I'm not even that mad. I don't have FOMO. And the reason why I feel this way is because I've seen this happen again and again and again. I know I'm gonna get this same setup. If not tomorrow or later this week, next week or next month sometime. Like, I'm gonna get this same exact setup. And I'm gonna execute on it next time. So that's how you could develop the just get more comfortable in the market and not feeling like you missed the last train ride ever. Like, bro, there's another train coming 15 minutes later. Like, so you don't have to be chasing every big move. You don't even have to, even in my case, like, I marked it up, had it all ready. I was patient, waiting for my entry, and I second guessed when the entry presented itself. Then it gave me, like, on a 15-second time frame, it gave me another entry, 2 entries to get in, but I wanted that original entry, and I was demanding too much from the market. So I could have made, the market tried to give me the opportunity to execute, and I got in my own way. But the good stuff I did do was manage risk. I didn't over leverage, I didn't chase. I finished the day pretty much break even, and I'm still in the game. So I'm more than confident I'm gonna finish the week green, and I'm gonna definitely finish the month green based off of my risk management. So when I pull up to the house, I'm gonna break down the trade, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so let's check it out. So I got the previous day high. The sweep, this orange level is the previous day high. We swept above that. We took Asia highs, we took London highs with New York open. This is all-time highs right here. And then we swept these previous day highs. So that's a lot of buy-side liquidity that got taken out. So this is the 5-minute. I'm going to toggle down to the 1 minute. And this is, I'm going to take this session stuff off so it's cleaner. This is the trade. I had 9.25 stops. Really, I initially targeted London lows, which was good. That was 80 points, but my targets were London lows right here, then Asia lows, which was about 100 points, 110 points. That's $1,000 per account, and then previous day low, which is this orange line down here. So that's a total of 200 points. So that would have been $2,000. So that's the trade setup, and this is where I missed the entry. And because I was being stubborn, it cost me to not make any of this money. So this is my entry. So we got the first presented fair value gap. Remember, I'm not trying to really go long. We just took a whole bunch of buy side liquidity, targeting sell side after we sweep. So I'm looking for bearish reversals. This is the first sign. This is a order block right here. We get the close right here. We get the tap back into it, but I'm not entering to go short right there. I want to see a little bit more confirmation. We get a bullish fair value gap that inverted right here. So that's an inverse fair value gap. Then we come back. I want to see how we start to react on this first presented fair value gap. We close through here. So that's, some people could enter right there. Then we tap back into it on a consequent encroachment. That's another entry sign. Then we create a fair value gap, tap into it, and that's the entry I wanted. And right when I clicked it, price was already there. So our price just left there. So I should have just marketed, ordered into it, but it was happening fast. And then on a 15-second, it gave me a couple of different entries to enter. And then if you look here, there's another bearish order block, one last chance. He gave me 2 chances to get into it. Didn't take it. I thought I was too late to the party. Clearly I wasn't. We started taking out sell side, so we took out this sell side here. I wound up getting in on this fair value gap down here, and that played out, but I added on to the position and moved my stops to break even, and I pretty much got stopped out at break even on the day. We still moved down a lot more, obviously down to previous day low, but it's all good. Hindsight's all 2020. I know this exact setup is gonna occur again and again and again. So I'm not tripping. And I'm just being open and honest with my wins and losses. So this is how you build and develop that confidence, because you see it's happening again and again. Like, I'm legit taking the same exact setups. So that's how I missed out on making potentially 10K today. But it's all good. I'd rather have the opportunity to make 10K than not. So we'll shake back. We're gonna have another good trading day tomorrow, and really expecting a lot of volatile price action for the rest of the week. So it's all good. So that's the end of this video. Hope y'all really enjoyed this and learned a lot from it. That's the realistic side of trading. You're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. Sometimes the market's gonna be in your favor. Sometimes the market will be giving you an obvious setup and you just don't trade your best. So that's what I'm trying to teach and show, that all the good, bad, and ugly that comes with trading. So hopefully I'm back tomorrow with some good news on my amazing executions and I don't crash out. But I will see y'all in the next video.